Welcome to the Lazy Majestic YouTube channel. Here it is at 5 p.m. Hawaii time. I think the rooster lost his alarm clock because he's wandering around here crowing. Just hanging out here in the lobby. Hawaii time? I don't know. It's supposed to be in the morning for a wake-up call, but the 5 p.m. maybe dinner bell. Who knows? It's just, you can hear a distant background too, but this one's really close. Oh, I guess they just like to hang out here. Let's see where it went. Probably somewhere in the bush. Alright, well. Oh, there it is. Making a lot of noise again. Camera shy. Anyway. Aloha. Ha'ola makihiki ho. Happy New Year in Hawaii. Let's see if I can see it. It's right there. Hey, Rooster. Okay, here in the wilds in Honolulu.